Welcome to Quiet Wild Stories. Here, we explore the hidden lives of animals, their strange adaptations, quiet resilience, and gentle beauty. Subscribe to the channel and join our journey. As dawn breaks across flower-filled meadows and tropical forests, a tiny blur flashes through the morning light, hovering effortlessly, flying backward, its wings beating so fast they become almost invisible. The hummingbird may be one of the smallest birds on Earth, but it possesses abilities unlike almost any other creature in the animal kingdom. This is the secret life of the hummingbird. More than 360 species of hummingbirds live throughout the Americas, from the cool mountains of Alaska to the lush rainforests of South America. Despite their tiny size, these remarkable birds have mastered the skies. Most birds must land before feeding. Hummingbirds do not. Their powerful flight muscles allow them to hover perfectly still in front of a flower, dart sideways, climb straight upward, and even fly backward with astonishing precision. To stay airborne, their wings beat anywhere from 50 to more than 80 times every second, depending on the species. This incredible speed creates the familiar humming sound that gives these birds their name. Flying this way requires an enormous amount of energy. In fact, hummingbirds have one of the fastest metabolisms of any animal on Earth. To fuel their busy lifestyle, they spend much of the day visiting hundreds of flowers. Using their long, slender bills and specialized tongues, they drink nectar hidden deep within blossoms. Their tongues don't simply act like tiny straws. Instead, they rapidly trap nectar through a remarkable combination of grooves and flexible edges, allowing them to collect sweet liquid with incredible efficiency. As they move from flower to flower, pollen clings to their feathers and bills. Without realizing it, hummingbirds become important pollinators, helping countless plants reproduce and keeping entire ecosystems healthy. Although nectar provides energy, it doesn't supply everything a hummingbird needs. To obtain protein, they also hunt tiny insects and spiders, often catching them in midair with astonishing accuracy. Every meal helps power one of nature's most demanding lifestyles. At night, or during periods of cold weather, hummingbirds face a different challenge. Without food, their fast metabolism could quickly use up all their energy. To survive, many species enter a remarkable state called torpor. During torpor, their heart rate slows dramatically, their body temperature drops, and they conserve precious energy until sunrise. It is almost like a temporary hibernation that lasts for just one night. Despite their tiny size, hummingbirds can be surprisingly fearless. Many will boldly chase away much larger birds that venture too close to their favorite flowers or feeding territory. What they lack in size, they more than make up for in determination. During the breeding season, female hummingbirds build remarkably delicate nests using soft plant fibers, moss, and spider silk. The silk stretches as the chicks grow, creating a flexible home perfectly suited for their rapidly developing family. Some nests are no larger than a walnut. Inside, two tiny eggs, each about the size of a jelly bean, hold the next generation of these incredible birds. Many hummingbirds also undertake astonishing migrations. The ruby-throated hummingbird, for example, flies hundreds of miles across the Gulf of Mexico, completing one of the longest migrations of any bird relative to its body size. It's an extraordinary journey for a bird that weighs less than a nickel. Today, hummingbirds face growing challenges. Habitat loss, climate change, and declining numbers of native flowering plants reduce the food sources they depend upon throughout the year. Planting nectar-rich native flowers and protecting natural habitats can make a meaningful difference for these remarkable birds. The next time you catch a glimpse of a hummingbird hovering beside a flower, pause for a moment. Behind those shimmering feathers, those impossibly fast wings, and those graceful aerial maneuvers is one of nature's greatest engineering marvels, tiny in size, boundless in energy. And forever dancing among the flowers, For more peaceful journeys into the hidden lives of wildlife, subscribe to Quiet Wild Stories, where every animal has a story waiting to be discovered.